अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम माय न्यू वीडियो। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं रिविजनरी एक्सरसाइज नंबर एक्सरसाइज ए करेंगे। ये 60 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड होगी। रेडी, लेट्स स्टार्ट। इफ़ यू कैन पुट मी अप फॉर अ वीक इन अगस्त आई शैल बी रेडी to go and stay with you. Full stop. You can have as much walking as you like. Full stop. I shall be at your disposal at almost any hour, comma, and as I am rare worker myself, comma, I think I can say you will have all the exercise you wish, full stop. You ought to be a different fellow when I leave, comma, if you will be influenced by me, full stop. I think I can give you a mile in 6 and beat you, full stop. I have had some talk with young Lord Robson several times in the past week, comma, and he says you can do 5 miles an hour, full stop. Those who say you last autumn and now what you can do, comma, all say the same thing, full stop. This is all I know as to your form, full stop, but we shall see for ourselves, full stop. I think you will on. I am far beyond you in speech, full stop. It will be a case of each for himself and the race to the faster of the two, full stop. Oh, comma, I know I shall beat you, comma, unless you are faster this year, full stop. Those who think poorly of themselves only introduce those who know them to think the same. I speak for myself. Because I know myself, full stop. I can say a deal on this subject, comma, and I usually do so, full stop. You asked why I have stayed away so long, full stop. The answer is business keeps me away, full stop. When would you like me to come, question mark. The best of luck to you and to the rest of the family. It will be nice to see them all, though I saw most of them a month or two ago. Full stop. This is 60 word per minute speed. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe and bell icon press for more updates. Stay with us. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.